If someone had told me that one candle could really change their trading life, I was not going to believe them. But today I want to show you guys that really one candle can change everything, and it is just all that you need. Now this is the 4-hour time frame, and this is ends a decade. So I'm just going to make this illustration for you and show you how you are able to maximize your profits all the way. And if you can just think about that, this is 4-hour time frame, and you can just imagine how much profits you're able to make on this one. So right now I'm just going to take you through it, and it's going to be really amazing. You really wish to stay until the end of this video. So, and before I forget, do remember that we've got our VIP signal group, of which you can actually enter our VIP signal group for actually free. All you have to do is that you've got to go to the video description and get there and open an FPS account using our referral link. So you click there and you open your FPS account and you deposit as little as $10 or more, and then you are going to be on the VIP trading group. So guys, feel free to subscribe. Let's go back to our strategy now. So this is what you're going to do. This is the 4-hour time frame, and let me just remove this so that everyone can have a clearance. So what we are going to do is that we are going to go to our indicators up here, and I want you to type fractals. So just type fractals there. Then you're going to go for Williams fractals. So you don't need to do any settings for that. You're just going to use the default settings. You can even use it on mobile. And once you get to fractals, what you're going to do is that you're just going to look at these arrows over here. So you see these arrows, they actually tell a very big story. So if ever the fractal or that arrow of the fractal is just up here like this ones, it means that price is going to be dropping. So it means once you see the fractal up here, it means you are going to be having a drop in price, like as you can see, like it was doing over there. But if you see the fractal at the bottom over here, it means that actually price is going to be bullish. So basically that is what the fractal is all about. So if I'm going to get the fractal up here, this last one, so I always have to look for the last fractal. So this is the last fractal over here, and this is the 4-hour time frame. Now you are going to mark the last place, or you're going to mark the last candle. You see this candle where the fractal is. For instance, in this case, it is this candle. So what we are going to do is that we are going to mark this candle and use it as our reference point. So just make sure that you mark the whole of it, even the wicks. So don't leave the wicks out. Make sure the wicks are properly marked. Now you are going to use this one as your base, like this. So make sure that whatever I'm going to be doing now, it is going to be below this mark over here. Now let's take it to the 5-minute time frame, because that is where we're going to be doing the magic. So now we're on the 5-minute time frame. So on the 5-minute time frame, I can actually just remove the fractals right now. So I'm just going to remove them because we don't necessarily need them now. Now this is the 5-minute time frame, and remember I said that this is our mark. So this is our mark. So we don't do anything beyond this point, because that is where the last key level was. Now I'm going to be placing trades all over here in this region. So it means from here I'm going to be placing trades going all the way down, because as long as the fractal is still at the top, it means that price is still bearish. So if price is still bearish, then we are all good to go, just like that. So that is why you saw me having very good trades going down over here, because the fractal was at the top and I can place as many trades as I want from here. Now the key thing is, let me say, now we're going to take it back today. Let me say I'm going to place a trade over here. Let's say, let me just make an example. Let's say I place my trade around this area over here. Now I'm just going to mark it's like this. Our risk to reward ratio should be at least 2. So we're going to make our risk to reward ratio 2, and I'm just going to make it like this. So let's take it to 2. That's good. So that's 2. Now you see that I would have broken out at this place over here. So that is just to show you how much this strategy works, and it's really easy to apply it. It actually works for any of the trades. You can even take it to Euro CAD right now, to Euro USD, and take it to the 4-hour time frame again. And let's open the fractals. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame and go for the fractals. So the last fractal of the 4-hour time frame here is actually at the top again. It means that price is bearish. So we're going to mark the candle where the fractal is, and make sure that you mark even the wicks. So we're marking that candle right now. So let's say it is at this point now that you want to make the trades. Unfortunately, you cannot place the trades here, because over here now there is a possible reversal, because as you can see that these candles, these inner ones, have already broken out of our point. So we cannot make any transactions as long as the candles are above this key level that we marked. So we cannot place any trades there. All we have to do is that we have to wait until it is below this mark. That is when we can sell. Otherwise, for now it is inside, so it means that price is actually ranging. So guys, if you want to see more strategies like this, I think you can now see that you just have to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll be giving you guys more updates about these strategies on our next video. So I hope to see you very soon. Have a good day.